आज का क्लास ये है।
ठीक है सर, दिख रहा है।
आज का जो क्लास है क्या है? बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ साइकोमेट्रिक चार्ट। अब बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट में हमारा एक अच्छा वाला पेन दो ना, मार्कर है अच्छा। ये जो है एक्चुअली basic concept of psychometric is that the shape of the psychometric chart is like that, and we know that the triangle is increasing towards right from left to right. Then if we point out one point in the chart, if the arrow showing this one is increasing the heating, and this one is the sensible heating line. And opposite it will reduce the same thing. The heat will be reduced, the cooling will be there, then the arrow will mark as sensible cooling. This one is sensible cooling, this one is sensible heating. And this one is the dehumidification apart, then this one is the humidification. This one is the single character, and if we heating and humidification, then these will be heating and humidification, and this one is the cooling and dehumidification, and this one is the heating and dehumidification. This one is the cooling and humidification. If we maintain this one is O, and O, this one is A, this one is B, this one is the C, this one is the D, and this one is the E, this one F, this one G, this one H. Then OA is equal to sensible heating. OB is sensible cooling, and OD is equal to humidification. OC is equal to dehumidification. And OE is equal to heating with humidification. And OF is equal to cooling with humidification.